Hi everybody, I'm Rochelle, the mother of the mother-daughter owners of Godiva's Secret Wigs, and so many of you wanted to see my dear, sweet, amazing Debra, again, one of my very best friends, so here she is.
Hello.
Say hi to everybody.
And I want her hat, by the way. She came in, is this not the cutest hat? I love it. She wouldn't even let me put it on.
You know, there's some days where all you need is a scrunchie in the back with your hair.
It looks great.
And it's just like this. See how easy?
Yeah, I love it.
But yes, I flipped for this hat and
you took the hat off when I didn't take it.
that's right. And Debra flipped for it too. Anyway, I digress. So what we're going to do right now is Debra, who owns so many of our wigs, today she's got on a Jenna in chocolate frost, and I love it on you. Look at your eyes. So those of you, if you've seen Debra before, she's a pale blonde like I am, but she loves wearing all different colors. It's so fun, isn't it?
I love this, yes. The dark, it's dramatic. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it.
So, but you think there's just a little too much
right
here?
here. You don't want to go like this.
Yes.
I mean, this is what I see even celebrities, like on a talk show, and they're constantly doing this. That's distracting.
It is distracting. And especially if you're working in a wig or cooking.
Yeah.
And if you receive a wig and the bangs are too long, not to worry. It doesn't mean you need to return the wig. Just a little trimming like I'm going to show you right now will make all the difference in the world. You can trim yourself by watching our tutorials. Otherwise, take the wig to a good hairdresser that you trust. So let me put the cape on you and then we're going to talk. So,
I've got it matches your hat.
oh my goodness, I planned it that way. So if you own wigs and you've wanted to get them trimmed, but you have not had the courage or not felt you found someone that would do a good job. So Debra and I are going to pretend like I am her hairdresser. And we're going to talk through it because that's what it needs to be, is a conversation. It's not just let the hairdresser take over, because the whole idea is to enhance your look and make sure that you, the client, are happy with it. Okay? So,
But you love this part. Like it's just like, that side bang, it's so pretty, but it wants to just kind of fall.
I see it. So first of all, you know that you can take some of this hair and just backcomb it a little bit to go into the side.
I did that.
Okay, so let's talk first about this hair. Do you want bangs or do you want it all the way across, or?
I hadn't even thought of it.
Oh.
I hadn't thought of doing it across.
Because I would suggest you don't just take a lot ever when you're trimming.
Yeah.
So I would take little pieces, but this is the conversation to have with your hairdresser because it makes a difference how you're going to trim the wig. So if you want just some wispy, soft bangs, we can start there. But if you want it coming to the side, we're going to have to train it, and maybe this is just too heavy for you.
See, and I did it this way too.
Okay.
Like this.
All right. So what you're telling me here is you want this a little longer, so you like that there. So what I do, Debra, many times is...
so you have a little more variety.
Right.
Yeah.
I'll do the same thing on this side and tuck it around my ears and even put a bobby pin and be able to have the choices.
But that's what I did. But I did it out of, like, survival. Because this was in my face.
Okay.
So I did that. But I think I'd rather have it down.
Okay.
Rather than having to put it behind my ears.
So even if we trim this hair, it's not going to magically, if you keep doing this, it's just going to keep falling in your face. So I would, no matter what, if it's going to come to the side, to backcomb it and start to train it with a little hairspray. So I'm just connecting the top hair with the underneath hair, and that's what does that. But let's talk about these pieces right here.
What do you think?
I am not you.
I love when you said training. It's like my husband. I'm training him.
I am not you.
I love training.
What I would do is I would do a wispy little bang, and then I would train this hair to come to the side.
Good.
Because
You know me.
but
You
I
know
am,
what I
but I
like.
am not you. Remember,
I know.
I'm your hairdresser.
I know. Oh, that's right. That's right. Okay.
So
All right.
I mean, I will get in there and do my thing, and if you don't like it, I'll replace the wig.
You're fired.
How about that?
Okay.
I think this is a little heavy.
Mm-hmm.
But if you liked that look, if you say to me, I like to do that sometimes, then I can't take that length.
But see, if I were doing it by my ear, for
It's good
whatever
conversation,
reason,
right?
whatever reason, I like it to my left.
Okay.
If I'm doing some, you
Okay.
know, it's kind of like if hairdresser says, how do you part your hair?
Yes.
Do you like more hair, on this side
Yes.
or this side? Because they ask you that.
They do.
And invariably, it's the opposite.
However, on a wig, I don't really care how you part your hair.
Because you do it because it naturally goes that way.
I care how the wig looks best.
Yes.
Because no one's going, you parted your hair in an opposite direction than you have for the last 3 decades. Nobody does that. So to me...
So it could do whatever it wants to do.
Yeah, so,
Yeah.
so let's just look for a minute.
Okay.
Let's just look.
Okay.
I'm just changing the part on
Okay.
Jenna. To see if it stays
See, and
to
it would
the
help if I
side
could see.
anymore. Where are your glasses?
Oh, I don't think it's going to make any difference. I have
All right, so
contacts
no.
on.
Okay. So no, this is falling
I don't
in
have a
front.
mirror.
So never mind. Never mind.
I'm going blind.
No, no, no.
No, I mean, I can't see.
No, no, no. Our words are our world. Okay. So is it all right with
Yeah.
you if I take a little
Yes,
bang?
yes.
And it's too heavy around your face to me. So I'm taking a little bit, leaving all the rest to the side. And I like to start longer than I think on the diagonal. And now I'm just slowly coming upwards. And I want to open this. You don't have to open your eyes. You can take a little nap and I will get it all done for you. Don't move your head.
Okay. You know me, it's hard to keep my hands
in
in
a problem.
my head still. Uncross your legs, that's what they say.
That's right. I don't know why, really.
I
Does
don't
it make
either.
that big of a difference?
I don't know, but they always tell me to do that.
Somebody's going to write in and let us know why we can't cross our legs for a haircut. Our legs are all the way down there.
I know, it's like maybe you sit more even.
So right now, the little that I did, I'm going to round this out.
See, and I don't have one of these brushes.
Well,
I should get that.
it really starts to round it out. It might take a minute or so, but you have to be patient. And I think I like where this is going, Debra.
Yeah? Good.
Let's look for a minute here. Can you see? You can't
See, I don't have a
you
mirror.
Really cannot
I really
see.
can't see. That's what I was trying to tell you. But no. Oh. I like the bangs, don't you?
Well, I'm glad
Here
you.
it was all about the.
I'm glad you
that
can see.
side thing.
Made all
Well,
the.
I couldn't see.
All right, when you go to your hairdresser,
Yeah,
Make
you're
sure
in
you
front of
can
a
see.
mirror. You're in front of a mirror. I'm like going blind.
Okay, so they took a little of that bulk
Yeah,
away. I'm gonna
yeah.
trim more because a lot of it's in your face right now.
You know, I can't, it really makes a difference, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I like the bang.
So
with it.
let's talk about
Yeah.
the length here. I would
Yeah.
like to, I know you, Deborah really likes a full look. So part of me, I like to make it a little bit airier, although I didn't
Okay.
do it to my Jenna. So I'm gonna take this. Can I just keep
Yes.
doing my thing?
Yes, yes, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I trust you.
All right. If not, I'm replacing your
I
wig,
know.
aren't I?
Just don't get rid of these little light pieces.
Oh,
I love those
will
little
not. Okay,
light
don't
highlights.
move.
Okay, I'm sorry.
When a hairdresser says don't move,
I know.
that you
I
don't
know.
question.
It's not a police, it's just don't move.
Especially a wig, it's not growing back.
No.
So I'm going to take this up just a little bit more. I know you like your long bangs. But yeah, on our wigs, very small changes really make a dramatic difference. And it's just finding somebody that you trust.
Oh, it totally transformed it,
Yeah.
didn't it?
Yes, so say you still want
Oh
to
my
put this
gosh.
behind your ear.
Mm-hmm.
You still have these wispy pieces.
Should I cut that a little?
Yes, let me come down
I think
and
we
have a
should.
look at this.
I mean, I don't want to feel like I'm forced to have to put it
No, you don't.
behind my ear.
Right.
Because there's certain things I think it looks really cute behind.
Okay, I'm going to open this up a little
Okay.
bit like I did here.
Okay.
And so depending on the shape of your face, ladies, if you have a real small face, you might want to open the sides up a little bit like I did over here. And I'm going to do right here because it's really making Debra's face even smaller. So we're going to open it up a little bit by taking these pieces a little shorter. And then I'm going to use the hot roller brush again to round it all out. Will you open your eyes and tell me, is this too long for you? Is it in your eyes?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
just a tiny bit.
If
yeah.
the bangs are in your eyes, that's the answer to the question.
Yeah, because
is it
it
too
will
long
bother
for
me.
you? It will make you nuts.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, okay. So I'm just, this is where your hairdresser goes just little by little. Is it in your eyes now when you open your eyes? Right there.
One little
Okay.
piece.
Okay.
Oh, it just made it look so different.
In a good way?
No, yeah. Do you
Okay.
think?
Yeah, I like it.
I like it.
I like it. You have a small face, and
Do you think so?
I do. You're very petite. You're my fragile petite Debra.
Hmm.
And so sometimes when the hair is just too much right here, up here, great. I know you love full. We're
Yeah.
going to get as full as you want to get.
Yeah.
But right around the face, I want to show off your face. All right, let me round those again.
You know, or like I have a tendency to want to go like this with,
Okay.
with
So that's
with stuff
pretty.
too.
So that's pretty.
yeah.
And
That looks very natural, doesn't
yeah,
it?
and I can take this one just
Yeah.
a little bit.
Good job.
Thank you. Our hot roller brush is so great. it doesn't ever get so hot that it will damage your hair
Yeah,
because
I didn't feel it
right
at all.
now, Godiva's secret wigs are not heat resistant. The whole benefit of our wigs is when you wash them, they dry the way you buy them. So this is not about blow drying and curling and heat and flat ironing. Our wigs are about convenience. So, oh yes.
And we're about convenience.
Oh yes.
I am.
Glam, #1, convenience, #2, right? All right, let's see what we've
What do you
got
think?
here.
Don't you feel like maybe you want to do something with that or not?
Take that a little more?
Yeah,
I
maybe a little.
don't know.
Okay.
You tell me. I do
It-
want you can train this
It makes me
hair.
feel like I should have it a little,
Okay,
maybe shorter.
all
But I
right.
don't want it to look weird.
It's not gonna look weird because it's all fringy. Jenna is just cut so great to be fringy.
Get that little highlight.
Mm-hmm.
Totally turns me on, that
But
little
we-
highlight. It's
But
just
we can start
exciting.
right
Right
here.
there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Is it? Oh,
Yeah.
and I love the color.
Yeah, and the whole thing with a wig is when you trim it, is the plan, the intention is to have the wig customized for your head, for your face, for your features. So that's what we're doing right now. That's the tip for today. So I took just a little. And it's not growing back, so we can always do more trimming. All right, tell me what you think.
I think it looks beautiful. I like music.
I love you as a brunette. I love you whatever color you are.
Too.
Yeah.
I'm
Yes,
dying to try a red.
we will get red on you.
I know.
But the fun of this is Debra's blonde. We go all different colors, and I love
Yeah.
that. You know, it's a really great experience for your personality to try on. It's not a lifelong commitment, it's a wig. So you can put it on, wear it when you want. So what do you think
And
about
my
this?
husband really liked it.
Perfect.
You know, he says, he goes, I see you as a blonde because that's how I've been. But he goes, I really like this. He goes, it's dramatic looking.
Yes.
You know, it has certain things. It's like it pops out your eyes.
Look at your eyes.
skin.
Look at her blue eyes with her dark hair.
It's Hazel. Come on.
Sorry.
How long have we known each other for?
Yeah, close enough, honey. I don't have my glasses on. What do you think for right now?
I think it looks really good.
All right, let's take.
Like you
this
said, you
ink
can always
off.
go shorter.
We can always. I'd like you to live in
What
it.
about the other?
We were going to get there.
Oh, okay. Alrighty.
So, anyway, thank you for letting me trim your Jenna.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and hope this is helpful and that you see that it's not frightening to trim a wig, and Godiva's secret wigs take very simple, easy trimming to make a big difference, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Bye.